morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning, which usually means one thing. I have been out and about at the Yuba City Certified Farmers Market, Super X Market, La Superior. All three today. Let's get to that first. We'll start with Super X Market in Linda, California. I picked up a new bottle of Superior Light soy sauce. This is the same manufacturer as the dark soy sauce I bought a few weeks ago. And I bought a jar of chili garlic sauce. Yeah. Yes, yum, yum, yum. All right, we're going to start on this end. Went to La Superior, picked up some cilantro because Bel Air has been having a problem with their supplier. So I decided, why the hell, I'll just stop on my way home and pick up some cilantro for this week. Now, starting with Corey from Auburn, my mushroom supplier. Here's some beautiful shiitakes. I'm doing a mushroom soup this week, and these are going to work out beautifully. Then I went to the Yom family and picked up some green onions. Look at those. I'm actually going to chop these off to get them into the fridge. Some baby bok choy for a soup that I'm doing this week. The same soup that the shrooms are going in. Now, and some jalapenos. I'm not using all of these. Some of these I will freeze. Now, I bought some extra basil because, okay, here is the Thai basil. You can definitely tell because of the purple flowers. Okay, I do have a recipe this week that calls for some Thai basil. And as you know, I dried the last batch of Thai basil after I plucked some off for that dish last week. And here is good old Mediterranean basil. And if you look at the blossoms, they're green right now, but they will normally, when they blossom, they actually will be white. And you can see the color difference. See the stems are reddish or purple, where the standard Mediterranean basil is green. But look at the color differences between the two. Both of these basils, once I get what I need from the Thai basil, from this bunch, both of these basils are going to be hung and dried. So I have good, fresh, dried basil. I know that's kind of oxymoron, dried and fresh at the same time. Basil for several months in the winter. Okay. For dinner, I am doing, okay, let's just get back. Last night, I prepared garlic shrimp, roasted baby red potatoes, and cheesy garlic green beans. Great meal. The beans, Robin actually suggested, which I agree with her, to do this treatment with asparagus. Oh, yeah. So the garlic shrimp was really good. The roasted potatoes, I've done those a million times. Maybe not a million, but a lot. But those are fun. But I could use those little babies from the Bel Air market. Tonight, I was supposed to do this one last night, but I decided to, Savory-Sweet Chicken Supreme. We'll get to that in a second about what I think of the title. So let's get to it. Got the hardware going. Yes, it's a wok day. Again, but as you know, I love the wok. Here is my vessel for the white rice, which I'll be doing today. And we have chicken breast, boneless, skinless, olive oil, ginger, what's left of my garlic. Whew, thank God it's the end of the week. Bell peppers. These peppers are from Farmers Market last Saturday. Red onion. Actually picked up this onion at Super X. I decided because it's the size I need. And we're going with ginger, rice vinegar, soy sauce, tomato ketchup. There's pineapple chunks in this. Have you gotten yet what this is going to be? and some cornstarch for thickener, and of course the white rice, which this dish will go over, and some brown sugar for the sauce. If you haven't figured it out, it's sweet and sour chicken. It's really funny because in the last line of the method, aka instructions, it states, serve the sweet and sour chicken over steamed rice. Why they called it Savory-Sweet Chicken Supreme, I have no idea. Robert and I got a good laugh out of that. So, tonight is sweet and sour chicken. Homemade though. Oh. So, on this Saturday, this stupendous Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.